Welcome back to French Toast, and today we are doing a higher tier paper reading from 2020, and I will be putting the link for this paper in the description box for you to download, and if you like to do so, to follow along as we go through it. Let's have a look at section A, questions and answers in English. Charity work. You see this online forum in which French students talk about ways of raising money for charity. So we have Afifa, une fête locale, mes amis et moi, nous avons vendu des boissons et des crêpes. Not the poisson, not fish. So in a local fair, my friends and I, we've sold drinks and crepes. Lucas, récemment, j'ai nettoyé des véhicules dans un garage. Recently, I have washed vehicles, cars in a garage. Manon, j'ai récolté plus de 200 € en faisant une course à pied. I was able to collect 200 euros by running. Nabil, j'ai aidé à organiser une collecte de vêtements en ligne. I've helped organize an online collection for clothes. Odile, j'ai organisé un concert, on a chanté et on a fait des tours de magie. I've organized a concert, music concerts. We sang and we did some magic tricks. Rose, j'ai fait 4 km à vélo et 200 mètres à la nage. I have done 4 kilometers cycling and 200 meters swimming. Timéo, j'ai demandé aux commerçants d'offrir des prix pour une tombola. I have asked some shops to offer some prizes for a raffle. So let's have a look at this exercise. Which student has been raising money in the following way? Write the name of the correct student in each box. Who has used the internet? It is Nabil, because it says online here. Who has provided refreshments? It's Afifa. It says she sold drinks, vendu des boissons. Who has asked for prizes as donations? Is Timeo. He asked shops to offer prizes for a raffle. Who has washed cars? It is Lucas. J'ai nettoyé des véhicules. And who has been running? It is Manon, who collected 200 euros en faisant une course à pied. Okay. Let's have a look at the second text, which is about cinema. While on holiday in Paris, you read a report about French cinema. Un rapport sur les femmes dans l'industrie du cinéma est inquiétant. A report about women in this cinema industry is a bit worrisome. Cette année, 63 films ont été réalisés par des femmes. This year, 63 movies have been produced by women, 232 par des hommes, 230 by men. C'est une augmentation par rapport à l'année dernière. It's an augmentation, or the number went up in comparison to last year. Mais le budget d'un film réalisé par une femme est moins important que pour un film réalisé par un homme. But the budget for a movie produced by a woman is less important than those produced by men. D'ailleurs, les réalisatrices gagnent moins que les cinéastes masculins. Actually, women producers earn less money than men producers. En 2010, on proposait la création d'une obligation de donner 50% des rôles à des femmes. In 2010, we have proposed the creation of a mandatory role allocation that should be that 50% of roles should be given to women. Ce n'est toujours pas le cas. It's not really the case. Le rapport relève que les femmes continuent souvent à jouer des amoureuses dépendantes d'un homme. The report reveals that women still continue to play were given roles such as a lover or a man dependent. Un bon signe est que les techniciennes sont plus présentes derrière les caméras. A good sign is that female technicians are more represented behind the camera. Les écoles de cinéma françaises viennent d'annoncer que cette année, elles ont accueilli 53% d'étudiants de sexe féminin. French cinema schools have just announced that this year they have enrolled 53% of students that are female. Which of four statements are true? Write the correct letter in the box. The report about the role of women in French cinema is reassuring. It's not true, it's false. It's not that one. This year, more French movies were made by women directors than in the past. It's true. There is no difference in the budget of films made by men and women. Is false. Women directors do not receive equal pay. Is true. Half of all roles now go to women. Is false. Because even though they have placed a requirement for the roles to be given 50% to women, it says ce n'est toujours pas le cas. It's not still the case. It's not the case still. Women are still portrayed as in a sexist manner is true because they give them roles where they portray lovers. More women are involved in the technical side filmmaking. Yes. Women are now less likely to train to be directors. No, it's not about that. So basically for this one is the B, the D, the F, and the G. All right, let's have a look at the next one. A new friend. Read this extract from the story Histoire d'un chien, Story of a Dog, by Guy de Maupassant. Guy de Maupassant was a French novelist. Comme François rentrait un soir chez lui, as François was going home in the evening, un chien a commencé à le suivre. A dog started following him. Il a remarqué que c'était un chien maigre et sale. He noticed that the dog was dirty and skinny. L'animal a refusé de quitter François. The animal refused to leave François, to leave him alone. So basically, he kept following him. Pris de pitié pour lui, feeling sorry for him. Pris de pitié means feeling sorry. François l'a appelé. François called him. He called the dog. Il s'est approché timidement. He approached timidly. And François l'a caressé. And François petted him or caressed him. Immédiatement, le chien se sentant adopté. Immediately, the dog feeling being accepted or adopted, accourut devant lui. Ran in front of him. Chez lui, François a cherché de quoi manger. At home, François looked for food. Quand le chien avait mangé, il s'est endormi. When the dog ate, he slept. He fell asleep. Le lendemain, les parents de François, un peu mécontents, lui ont permis de garder le chien. The next morning, François's parents were a bit annoyed, but allowed him to keep the animal. Decide if the following sentences are true, false, not mentioned in in each box. François saw the dog was in good condition. That's false. François felt sad for the dog. Yes, parce qu'il avait pitié de lui. François gave the dog some bread. It's not mentioned. His parents were very happy to let François keep the dog. That's false. They were annoyed. All right, let's have a look at the next one, and it's about social media. Read this blog by a student, Lily, in which she talks about making videos. Pourquoi des vidéos? Why videos? J'ai vu une vidéo d'un garçon sur un sofa en train de manger des chips. I've watched a video of a boy sitting on a sofa while eating crisps. Puis j'ai lu qu'il avait obtenu un meilleur score d'audience que le journal télévisé. Then I've seen that he got more scores, more audiences than the televised news. Moi, je croyais que je pourrais faire la même chose. I thought I could do the same. J'avais moins de 18 ans, alors je devais confirmer que l'un de mes parents avait lu le contrat. I was less than 18, so I had to confirm that my parents had read the contract et qu'ils m'avaient donné l'autorisation de créer des vidéos. And they authorized me to create videos. Pour ma première vidéo, j'ai comparé deux logiciels différents. For my first video, I compared two different softwares. Plus tard, je suis devenue plus ambitieuse en créant des clips musicaux amusants qui ont connu un grand succès. Later on, I've became more ambitious and created clips of funny music videos that have encountered more success. All right, so let's have a look here. Answer the questions in English. After seeing the videos of the boy, why did Lily decide to make her own video? So in English, so she realized that it had more, it has scored more audience than the news, the TV news, and also she thought that she could do the same. What had to happen before she made videos? Her parent had to read the contract and then authorize her to create videos. What two kinds of video has Lily made? The first kind where she was comparing two software, comparer deux logiciels, and the second one is musical funny clips. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. It's about teachers. Read this magazine article about French students' views on teachers. Axel, nos professeurs sont critiqués à tort. À mon avis, ils font un travail difficile et ne sont pas toujours appréciés. Our professors are wrongly criticized. In my opinion, they do a hard job. They work hard. They do a difficult job, and they're not always appreciated. Eva. Mes professeurs disent que leurs cours traditionnels sont essentiels. My professors, my teachers say that traditional courses are essential, important. Ils n'ont pas raison. They are not right. They are wrong. À quoi bon À quoi bon obliger un enfant à rester des heures en classe avec des professeurs ennuyeux? À quoi bon in English means what's the point? What's the point of forcing kids staying hours in the classroom with boring teachers? Let's have a look at Luan. Pour tous mes profs, leur matière est toujours la plus importante. For each of my teacher, their own field, their own subject is always the most important. Ce qui est faux, which is wrong, of course, bien sûr. Et comme résultat, as a result, ils nous donnent une quantité excessive de travail et ne nous écoutent pas. They gave us a lot of homework, excessive amount of work, and they don't listen to us. Maëlys. Un bon enseignant doit trouver le temps d'aider ses élèves de manière personnalité. A good teacher has to allocate some time in order to help each student personally. Pour rattraper le retard, in order to catch up. J'ai des profs comme ça, mais d'autres ne semblent pas s'intéresser à leurs élèves, ce qui est dommage. I have some teachers that are like that, but other professors are not interested in their own students, and that's a pity. And let's have a look at Nolan. Mes profs font travailler les élèves jusqu'à ce qu'ils obtiennent de meilleures notes. My teachers make us work until we get better grades. Ils prennent le temps de répondre à nos questions et ils vérifient que nous avons bien compris. They take time in answering our questions and verify that we've understood everything. Okay, so here they're asking us, what is the attitude of these young people to their teacher? P positive and negative, P and positive and negative. So Axel, let's have a look. Nos professeurs sont critiqués à tort, mais à mon avis, ils font un travail difficile. So this one is positive. Mes professeurs disent que leurs cours traditionnels sont essentiels, ils ont tort, ils n'ont pas raison. So this is negative. What's the point of having kids staying in the classroom with boring teachers? That's negative. Pour tous mes professeurs, leur matière est toujours plus importante, qui est faux, et comme résultat, nous donne des quantités excessives de travail. They give us too much work, so this is negative. Here it says, Maëlys, un bon enseignement prend le temps d'aider, so the teachers are helping. She said that some of the teachers do that, but others don't, so positive and negative. And this one, mes profs font travailler les élèves jusqu'à, so here the teachers make us work until we get good grades, and they take time to make sure that we understand. So this one is positive. All right, let's have a look at education post-16. While researching post-16 studies in Europe, you see this article on a French website. Alice, j'ai pris la décision de partir à l'étranger et surtout en Grande-Bretagne parce que cette destination m'avait toujours fait rêver. I decided to study abroad and mostly in Great Britain, in the UK, because this destination made me, I always dreamed about this destination. M'a toujours fait rêver. Malgré mes notes plus acceptables, despite my more or less good grades, je voulais enrichir mon vocabulaire en anglais. I wanted to enrich my English vocabulary. À 16 ans, at 16, je suis partie faire un séjour dans une famille à Londres. I went and I lived with the family in London. Une fois arrivée, je n'ai eu aucun souci. Once I arrived, I've never had any problem. C'était une expérience qui a changé ma vie. It was an experience that changed my life. So let's look at Marc. Mes résultats scolaires étaient à peine suffisants. My school grades were barely satisfying. On m'a donc proposé d'aller passer un an en Grande-Bretagne. So it was suggested to me to spend a year in Great Britain. Je n'avais jamais pensé à y aller. I never thought going there. Mais mes parents m'ont dit qu'il fallait améliorer mon niveau d'anglais. But my parents told me that I needed to improve my English level. Est-ce que je recommanderais des études en Angleterre? Would I recommend studying, recommander étudier à l'étranger, pardon? Would I recommend anyone studying abroad? Je m'entendais assez bien avec mes hôtes. I got along with my hosts et leurs deux enfants, as well as their 2 kids. Mais en réalité, je n'avais qu'une seule envie, partir pour rejoindre ma famille. But in reality, all I wanted to do was to go back to my family. Okay, let's have a look. Identify the correct person. A for Alice, M for Mark, A and M. Who had to be persuaded to study abroad? It was Mark because his parents told him he had to go in order to improve his English. Mes parents m'ont dit qu'il fallait améliorer. I had to improve. So that was Mark. Who was having difficulties at school? It was Mark because it says ses résultats scolaires, school results, étaient à peine suffisants, were barely enough. Who had always wanted to go to Britain? That was Alice because she said c'était une destination dont elle rêvait. Who stayed with the family? It was Alice and Mark because she stayed with the family in London and he said that he got along with his hosts. Who is likely to recommend this type of visit? It's Alice because she said it was an experience that changed my life. Who is homesick? That was Mark because at the end it says all I wanted to do is to go back to my family, partir et rejoindre ma famille. All right, let's have a look at the next one. And this one is healthy living. Read this blog which talks about health issues. Notre alimentation est de plus en plus riche en sucre. Our food is more and more rich in sugar. Des chercheurs ont montré que cette sorte de régime est associé à un plus risque de dépression. Some researchers have demonstrated that this kind of way of eating is associated with more risk for depression. Cela pourrait expliquer pourquoi le traitement traditionnel contre la dépression. This could explain that traditional treatment for depression, c'est-à-dire les médicaments, meaning medication, ne marche pas dans tous les cas, do not work in all cases, are not efficient in all cases. Answer the following questions in English. According to the blog, how has our diet changed? We eat more sugar. There's more sugar in our diet. What has been the result of this change? It is provoking depression. What might this explain? It explains that traditional medication are not efficient due to the sugary food. All right. Let's have a look at the next one. The next one is questions and answers in French. Un village africain au Togo. Vous lisez un article sur un village en Afrique. Le village de Kodzé au Togo. En été, la chaleur est insupportable. During the summer, The heat is unbearable, sans aucune brise, without any wind. Et les routes sont bloquées à cause de la pluie. And roads are blocked because of the rain. En hiver, il y a un vent intense. Wintertime, there's intense wind. Le village n'attire pas de touristes. The village does not attract any tourists. La plupart des 500 habitants ont moins de 15 ans. The majority or most of the inhabitants are less than 15. La langue officielle est française, mais le togolais ici parle uniquement le dialecte. The official language is French, but Togolese speak uniquely or only their dialect. Pourtant, le chef parle parfaitement l'anglais. However, but the chief of the village speaks perfect English. Un problème est l'absence d'électricité et d'eau propre. A problem is the lack of electricity and clean water. La difficulté majeure, the major issue, the major difficulty, c'est de développer une éducation de qualité, is to develop quality education. So let's have a look. Choisissez la bonne réponse et écrivez la lettre dans la case. Pendant la saison des pluies, il est difficile d'aller à Kodzé. So, le vent est fort, il fait froid. Well, pendant la saison des pluies, il est difficile d'aller à Kodzé because it says that the roads are blocked. Les routes sont bloquées à cause de la pluie. Les routes sont bloquées à cause de la pluie. À Kodzé, il y a beaucoup de touristes, beaucoup d'habitants, beaucoup de jeunes. It's beaucoup de jeunes because it says most of the 1,500 inhabitants are less than 15. La plupart des habitants parlent français, la langue locale ou l'anglais. La plupart des habitants parlent la langue locale. Ils parlent le dialecte. Ils parlent le dialecte. À Kodzé, le problème le plus grave, à Kodzé, the major issue is le manque d'électricité, l'absence d'une bonne école ou la qualité d'eau. So, it's l'absence d'une bonne école. Of course, they have the problem with electricity and clean water. But here it says la difficulté majeure, the major issue is développer une éducation de qualité. Okay. Let's have a look at the next one, which is les ambitions. Lisez cet article d'un magazine français. Voici une initiative intéressante qui existe parce que l'on dit que les élèves n'ont pas d'ambition. Here's an interesting initiative that exists because they say that students have no ambition. Vendredi, les lycéens ont visité la station Rêve. Là, il y a beaucoup de start-up, des nouvelles compagnies innovantes. Friday, students have visited la station de Rêve, the Dream Station. There were a lot of startups and innovative companies. Doria a trouvé la journée utile car elle veut créer sa propre compagnie. Doria found the day useful because she wants to create her own company. Arshaf a découvert l'usage des nouvelles technologies. Arshaf has discovered the usefulness of new technology. Il espère participer à d'autres sorties de ce genre. He wishes to participate into the same kind of field trip. So faire des sorties is going out, but here because it's under the school framework is, so it means field trip. Il espère participer à d'autres sorties de ce genre. He wishes to go and participate in the same type of field trip. Okay. So, pourquoi est-ce qu'on a lancé cette initiative? Here it says répondez en français. Parce que on dit que les élèves n'ont pas d'ambition. Ok? Qu'est-ce que Doria pense de la visite? Doria a trouvé la journée utile. Très bien. Et là, on nous demande pourquoi. Why? Because, parce que elle veut créer sa propre compagnie. She wants to create her own company. Qu'est-ce que Ashraf veut faire à l'avenir? What does he want to do in the future? Il espère participer à d'autres sorties de ce genre. He wishes to participate in the same kind of field trip. Okay. Let's have a look at the next text, which is La légende de Anya. Lisez cet extrait de conte traditionnel marocain. Read an extract from a traditional Moroccan tales, fairy tales. Dans un village marocain, près d'une forêt, vivait Anya. In a Moroccan village, next to a forest, lived Anya. Elle était belle et amoureuse de Adil. She was beautiful and in love with Adil. Adil partageait ses sentiments. Adil felt the same thing. Lorsque Adil a dû partir dans un village lointain pour apprendre le Coran, when Adil had to leave the village to go, when Adil had to leave for a faraway village in order to learn the Quran, il a promis d'épouser Anya dès son retour. He promised to marry her when he returns. Un jour, les filles du village voulaient ramasser du bois dans la forêt. One day, the girls from the village wanted to collect some wood from the forest. La mère de Anya a refusé de laisser sa fille sortir avant le retour de son fiancé. Anya's mom refused to let her go out before the return of her fiancé. Les filles ont insisté et, en voyant Anya en larmes, sa mère a accepté de la laisser sortir. The girls have insisted while seeing Anya crying. Her mother finally accepted to let her go. Dans la journée, personne n'avait peur de la forêt. During daytime, no one was scared of the forest. Alors que les filles ramassaient du bois, l'une d'elles, elle avait trouvé un collier. While they were collecting wood, one of them found a necklace. Une deuxième a trouvé un bracelet. A second one found a bracelet. À 4 heures, les jeunes se préparaient à retourner au village. At 4 o'clock, les filles se préparaient à retourner. The girls were getting ready to go back to the village. Mais soudain, le ciel est devenu noir. But suddenly, the sky became black. Un orage allait éclater. Thunderstorms are going to erupt. Toutes les filles sont parties en criant, mais Anya est tombée. All the girls left screaming, except Anya who fell down. Elle était seule dans la forêt. She was by herself, alone in the forest. So, décidez si les phrases sont vraies, fausses ou pas mentionnées. Decide whether the following sentences are true, false or not mentioned. Adil n'était pas amoureux de Anya. Adil was not in love with Anya. That's false. D'abord, la mère de Anya ne lui a pas permis d'accompagner les autres filles. That's true. At first, she didn't allow her to go. Deux filles ont trouvé des bijoux dans la forêt. That's true. one found a necklace, the other one a bracelet. Les filles ont passé 2 heures dans la forêt. The girls spent 2 hours in the forest, not mentioned. So, pas mentionné, PM. Les filles n'avaient pas peur de l'orage. That's false. The girls were not scared of the thunderstorm. That's false because they said toutes les filles sont parties en criant. All the girls left screaming. Okay, that's good. All right. La pollution plastique, plastic pollution. Lisez cet article sur la pollution plastique en France. Read this article about French pollution in France. Complétez le texte suivant avec les mots de la liste ci-dessus. Complete the following text with the list of words given below. Écrivez la bonne lettre dans chaque case. Write the correct letter in each box. So let's have a look at the word they gave us. Embellir, it means to make beautiful. Empoisonner is to poison. Interdire is to not allowed. Manger is to eat. Mettre is to put. Partir is to go. Utiliser is to utilize. All right, let's have a look. En France, la production de déchets plastiques s'élève à 4 millions de tonnes en 2019. In France, plastic pollution has reached 4 million tons in 2019. Néanmoins, seules 900 000 tonnes ont été recyclées, ce qui place la France en 25e position sur 30 pays européens. However, 900 tons have been recycled. That places France into 25th position over 30 European countries. Bonne nouvelle, good news. We want something something, complètement les assiettes en plastique qui ne sont pas recyclées. Bonne news, good news, we want to something completely plastic plates that are not recyclable. So I would say interdire. Good news, we want to remove completely plastic plates that are not recyclable. Also interdire means forbid. We want completely forbid plastic plates. À something something du 1er janvier 2022, pour profiter d'un pique-nique, il faut something something des assiettes de matière biodégradable. À partir. From. Here, à partir. Okay. Partir on its own, it means to go, right? But however, if we have à partir, which is like an expression, a formed expression in French, when you say à partir, it means from. So, à partir du 1er janvier, from the 1st of January 2020, in order to enjoy a picnic, you have to eat, or you have to use, let's say, you have to use, here it's you have to use, so il faut utiliser, so à partir du 1er janvier 2020, pour profiter du pique-nique, il faut utiliser des assiettes en matière biodégradable. You have to use biodegradable plates, ok. Mauvaise nouvelle, bad news, 400 tonnes, c'est la quantité de brosses à dents en plastique jetées en France. Bad news, 400 tons is the quantity of plastic toothbrush thrown away, disregarded by each year in France. Oh, that's a lot. Ces brosses à dents sont Ces brosses à dents sont composées de plastique non recyclable. These toothbrushes are made by non-recyclable plastic. Donc, on doit les something something à la poubelle. Donc, on doit les mettre à la poubelle. Okay, so we have to put them in the rubbish. Ils vont finir dans nos océans. They will end up in our oceans. Et ils vont something something and they're gonna do something to our environment, and they are going to poison. Et ils vont empoisonner notre environnement. Okay. So I hope this was helpful. It is good to know the meaning of the words, but sometimes the meaning of a word changes according to the context, especially for this one, à partir. And I think in a way to do it is to play with different combination if you don't understand the context of the word. But this one was quite a tricky one if you didn't know à partir means from now on or from. All right, let's have a look at the next section, which is section C, translation into English. All right, your sister has seen this problem page later and asked you to translate it to her into English. Okay, let's see. Je me dispute avec mes parents à cause de mes copains. I argue with my parents because of my friends. Qui, whom, selon mon père, according to my dad, to my father, ont une mauvaise influence sur moi, who have a bad influence on me. Samedi, Saturday, or on Saturday, il n'était pas content, he was not happy, car j'ai participé à une manifestation contre la pollution, because I went to a march against the pollution. Je lui ai dit, I told him that, je lui ai dit que, I told him that, je ferai de mon mieux pour protéger la planète. I will do my best to protect the planet. Ce qui me semble plus important que les études, which I think that it's more important than my studies. Okay. All right, everybody's doing okay. Let's have a look. Oh, that's it. We finished the paper, guys. All right, if you have been following along the whole paper, well, good for you. I hope this was helpful. I will link the paper in the description box. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe if you like to, and I will be dropping more of this practice paper in the future if you get the notification bell on. All right, guys, see you later. Salut, ciao, ciao.